Okay guys, in this video we are learning how to adjust your widgets on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. You can see here I'm adding one clock widget and tap and hold this. Now you can see here there is an option for adjustment. You can simply adjust like this, and also it is changing the features also. So you can see here it does not support this, but it is support this. So in this way you can simply adjust your clock application on your screen, but now it is added the seconds on the screen. It is will take more refreshment on the screen, so I don't want that. I want simply this one, so I'm cancelling that. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.